We are learning to write the sound pattern OI. Here are some words that have the sound pattern OI in them. Boil, foil, joint, soil, choice, voice, noise, join. So we're going to try to write the letters OI now. To do this, we're going to start just under halfway. For our O, we come up to the halfway line and then down and around and over. Our I is one stroke and it's slightly sloped. It starts at the halfway, comes down and has a dot at the just above it. Okay, let's try it again. So start just under halfway, come up and over and around, and it joins there, so we don't leave a gap. Comes right down to the bottom, and our I is to the halfway. Start at the halfway, we come down, nice even stroke, and a dot at the top. Again, up and around. Oops, we're a bit wobbly. And then our I starts here and down. Okay, so you can see that they're even. We're trying to get them half sized. So now we're going to start in our handwriting books. We're going to begin by writing today's date. You can see that the date has a capital letter for the day of the week and also for the month. To warm up, we're going to do a line of just O's, and they're going to be joining. So we're going to start just under the top line, going to the top line, over, down to the bottom line as best we can, and we're just going to keep on making these circles as our writing warm up. Okay, the next line we're going to do is we're going to practice doing a downstroke, and we're going to start at the top line and go right down to the bottom with a little flick, and we're going to join these all the way along. So you can see that we're trying to join our L and the flick together. Oops, I'm not doing very well here, but I'm practicing and I'm trying hard each time. Okay, so now we're going to have a go at practicing our OI. So remember, we have to start just below the halfway. We're going to make our circle. We go up slightly, down and around and join it. And then our I is our downstroke from the halfway with our dot. Again. Trying to keep our letters sloped as well. You can see some of the good ones that I've done, and actually the O's join up right at the top like this and like this here. Okay, my I's, I'm really liking this particular I here because it starts at the top, sits on the bottom line, and so does this one here. We're now going to write some of the words that have the OI sound in them. So we've written spoil, foil, join and soil. Now we're going to write our own name. So we're going to write our own name. Now we're going to write practice our numbers across the bottom, and then we're finished.